Why do high-performing companies use data science? Here are some interesting facts. Leading companies are using data science algorithms to optimize back-office operations, capacity planning, production plans, stock level management, supply chain, pricing, product recommendation, personalized campaigns, credit and market risk, among others in different industries, such as manufacturing, retail, healthcare, financial services, and sports. We have been witnessing a growing adoption of predictive and prescriptive models, but descriptive analytics will always have a vital and complementary role in all types of businesses. Nowadays, clients are more demanding. They expect more personalized products available anytime, in any place. We need to analyze data in real time, and our operations need to be prepared to react in a short term. More than knowing what happened, companies need to know what will happen and what actions they should take to make it happen. In fact, data science can create and process data better and faster than people, allowing us to spend less time on finding problems and more on designing solutions. By using data science techniques to collect, analyze, and process data that generate insights to make better business decisions, organizations are improving operations, creating smarter products, and developing personalized marketing campaigns. Every day, more and more organizations are using the data at their disposal, converting it into competitive advantages. We will be glad to assist you on your path closer to challenge complexity.